Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Israelite Party. The song is Israelite Party, the artist is CHARIM, and the choreography is MURIAM FINNEY. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for detailed information. Registration is open, and also you can book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go.
It's a party. It can't let destruction. It's a party. Too loud, too lit. Move with the body. Wake up, move outside. It's a party. Pop up, dedication. It's a party. It can't let destruction. It's a party. Too loud, too lit. Move with the body.
There you go, Israelite Party. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction and check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.